One thing these plants are teaching me is when you prune them, it's almost like you're encouraging them to grow even bigger. That's what happened to this one. I pruned this April, but look how monster it is now, like almost out of control, infringing the space for the middle middle plant. And I'm surprised it is flowering again. Usually it's done in August, but I'm seeing some flowers now. So it's crazy, but hey, I have to do hard prune again this fall. And even this hydrangea is getting also a little bit out of control. Look at that. I need to cut some of the branches. But until then, she's